Welcome to the world of freelance work online. Today, we'll explore what it means to be a freelancer and if it's the right fit for you. One of the biggest perks of freelancing is the flexibility and independence it offers. You can work from anywhere and choose your projects. Freelancing spans various fields including writing, design, programming, and much more. Let's dive deeper into these common roles. To land freelancing gigs, you'll need to know where to look. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start. Successful freelancing requires strong time management and communication skills. These are essential for meeting deadlines and collaborating effectively. Determining your rates can be tricky. Factors like your expertise and the project scope will help guide your pricing strategy. A strong portfolio showcases your best work and attracts clients. Make sure it represents your skills effectively. Finding and retaining clients takes effort. Networking and maintaining good relationships are key to long-term success. Freelancing does come with challenges such as income stability and the need for self-discipline. It's crucial to be prepared for the ups and downs. So, is freelancing right for you? Take time to reflect on your personal goals, skills, and circumstances. Happy freelancing!